You are red. I know. Yeah.
No. I said no.
No, don't go. Come back fast. I'm just kidding. We don't like the other reps. We don't like the other reps. No. Or what? We haven't got water. Hold on. Thank you. Food, that's right, huh? I'm food at this point, so by the time they actually do it. Joshua and Isaac. Joshua and Isaac.
And Isaac?
Green near fall?
3 red.
Wait, 3 red? Wait. Your last call was 3, the near fall for the red?
Yeah, I'm just gonna. It's gonna be 3 for near fall.
For the red?
Yes.
Okay.
That's not bad.
And that's it, right?
Yeah.
Green shoes is up?
Red bottom.
Okay. Thank you. Was Isaac ever here? Do I need to call him? Isaac, was he ever here?
They're not here. Neither one of them. 2 red.
Okay, look, I'm gonna call him, right? What is it? 2 green? 2 green?
And one green?
1 green? What was it for?
I don't know.
What about the people after? Joseph and Javier? One red? Kayla. Two red. You see they're calling them. Do I call the other ones or calling the ones for the next one? Do I ask them to call the other ones?
Yeah.
Not yet.
That's it. Who's next? Isaac? We have Isaac. We just need Joshua. Then That's smart by copying it, right?
And that way has. And that way they have the team too. Yeah, I just type Paul and then I paste.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can have some water, yes.
I don't know why. We're here. You're here.
Hey, Papa, what number are you? 39?
I know, Chuck.
Are you? I hesitate to check because then I have to take some water to the back. You see? And I have to
2, 3.
This should be 34. They said Chuck got 30.
Can you say stop? Alright. Oh, I already did it. It's 39. Did you hear me? It is 39. Do you know who you're going against? Do you know who you're going against? Which one? Can you beat him? Is that sure?
Gordon, what number are you? 35.
Who was the one that pinned him?
What have you done?
Jorge pinned him?